Hello friends, today we will see how to extend RAM on any Samsung device. So for this, first we will go to settings, then you scroll down to the option battery and device care, then click on that, then you select the option memory. In that you wait for some time, then you will find the option called RAM plus. Click on that. Now you can select the available options, either 2 GB or 4 GB. Then you select this, then it will ask for the restart, then you restart your device, then you from now onwards, then you will, whenever your uh, Samsung memory becomes full, the device will use the option RAM plus. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.